three of the different way over that. First in a step form, pseudocode and the flowchart over that. Is a step form is a we have discussed in a earlier over that. Now we have discussed in this in a flowchart for that. Now we discuss in a pseudocode how to develop this in the algorithm using this in a pseudocode over that. In this in a pseudocode, something the guidelines can be used for that in this in a for this in a algorithm can be developed through this in a pseudocode over that. All this algorithm will have start will have start and the stops over that. Means any of the algorithm must be required two of the statements over that, start and the stops over that. Okay. The second thing is accept the data from the user, use of the read otherwise input statements over that. Okay, if you getting the value from the user, you must be used in a read otherwise input statements over that. Third thing, to display and message a print content of a variable, then to be in a print this, use the statement of the prints over that. Okay, any of this in a mathematical operation to be in happenings for that, then and then we have used for that it to be in a plus, minus, multiplication, division and the equal to over that. These are the different operations can be used for that to be in a mathematical arithmetic operation to be happening for that. Logical operation and or and the not can be used to be in a specifically multiple test is a condition using in a composition of a prepositions over that. Relational operators for that, greater than equal to, less than or equal to, not equal to. These are this in a relational operator. Means here the three type of the operator: arithmetic operator, logical operator and the relational operator. These are the different operator, and this then and then, start and the stop, read, input and the print. These are the different combinations of your things, constructions of the pseudo code over that. Okay, I will take one good example over that. Here in this example, summation of a two natural numbers over that. For an example, I do this in a summation of a two any natural numbers over that. For an example, a and the b. For an example, a having this in a value 5, b having this in a value 7 over that. Okay, if this in a having this in a value 5 and the b having this in a value 7 over that, then and then to resulting value can be available in this in a particularly in this in a c. Okay, means here to be now what is our logic saying over that. First of all, we start our issues over that. In the issues, first of all, to getting this in a and the b, first of all to get from this in a users over that, we know that we getting this in a value, then and then we operating some things over that. We use in a any of this in a arithmetic operators can be used over that. Here to be in a use of this in a arithmetic operator for that, summation of these two numbers over here. Then to be in a then and then we have printing some things over that. Here to be in a see in this in a screen over here, the basically to be in a start. We know that any of this algorithm must be begin with in a start statements over that. We print this in a message, use in a print statements over that, enter the two natural numbers over here. Means in a we getting this two natural number. If we getting this in a values from this particularly, then we can use in a and the b of this in a two natural number over that. Okay, otherwise you can also use in a input a, input b over that. Then and then step 5, summation is equal to a plus b over that. Okay, here what happened for that, doing in a summation, and this in a summation can be also print over here. Here to be in a then and then work should be in over, then the stops over here. Then there is a second example over here. Here to be in a second example, any of your input number to check over that the number is a odd or even over that. Okay, same thing over that. Any of your algorithm can be start within a start statement and within a stop statements over that. Here to be in a enter the number over that, read the number, getting this in a value from this in a user over that, any of your numbers over that. Okay, if this in a value of the number is getting over that, in the n mode 2 over that. Here what happened for that, any of your number is a mode 2 over that. If this in a resultant value, it should be available over here. Okay, I will give this one example over that. 35 mode 3 over that, means in a we say that reminder value can be available over that, that should be in a 2 over that. How should be in a, we say that 11 multiplied by 3 means in a 33 minus the 35 is a, what is the reminder value should be in a 2 over that, it is known as a module of that. Same way over that, if the any of this in a number is a mod 2 over that is a reminder value, it should be a put over here. If that is a reminder value, should be a 0. If the n for then n is a even over that. If this in a r is not as 0, then should be an odd over that. It's very simple over that. For an example, I say they assume that any of this in a number should be in a 16 over that. Here to be in a 16, we enter the number 16 mod 2 over that. What is the 16 mod 2? Then the remainder should be in a 0 over that. Then going over here, then the n is a even, means in a 16 it should be in a even number. For an example, I take this in another example. For that is a 27 over that. 27 mod 2 over that. What is the remainder? Should be in a 1 over that. It to be in a check over the condition. This condition should be in a proposition, should be in a false. Come over here, then and then this proposition should be in a true. It is not a 0 value, then n should be in a odd over that. Clear? Means here to be in a check the odd and even number for that. Flow chart. These are the other techniques for this in a describing your thing in this in a graphical manners over that. The flow chart is a composition of a set of various standards shape box that is interconnected by this in a flow lines, and this in a flow lines is a arrow is indicated the direction of the flow for that. Means here what say that here to be in a something your problems can be in a described in this in a graphical manner, and those are the graphical manner to be put in this in a properly over that in this in a basically can be used over that in this in a graphically something should be in a predefined symbols over that. Means here we can say that some predefined symbol to solve our problem in a very easy way over that. Then and then here to be in a different type of this in a symbols can be used over that. You can see in this in a screen. These are this in a start of your problem, start and the end of your particular problem through this in a particular these symbols over that. Any of this in a calculations process, then these symbols can be used over that. Okay, any of these inputs can be taken from this in a user, then these symbols can be used over that. Okay, any of the decision makings means you have take the decisions over that, true or false over that, then this is can be used over that in the decision making over that. Connectors over that means in a connector means that is a connecting something in a two big of this your flow chart, connecting this in a one flow chart to this another flow chart, then to be in a connect these connectors can be used over that. Then is a magnetic tab over that. Any of your data can be stored in this in a particular source over that data, then should be in a use in a magnetic tab for that. That you connect in a remote prepositions of these flowcharts over that. Okay, any of these are comments can be used for that. Any of user understanding something in a comment, something understanding language, you can put in a comments over that. To display something should be in a display in the proper way, then you can use a display over that. Flow line over that, we can here to be in a use in this in a different type of this a four type of the flow line is used, right, left, upper, bottom. These are the different flow lines can be used over that. These are the symbol use that and we generate this in a flow chart over that. These are this in a guidelines can be used over that. In drawing of this in a proper flow chart, it is the necessary to list out in a logical order over that. First of all, any of your problems in this in a flow chart, the use in a start and the stop is must be used over that. Second thing is the flow chart is must be very clear and the needs over that. Then should be not any of this in a mix up of this in a any of this in a line not to be in a overwrite, otherwise in a not a conflict for that. That should be in here to be in a I give this in a something should be in a graphically manner so over that. Only the one flow line should be in a emerging and this in a process over that. These are the emerging over that and these are the endings over that from this in left to the right here, or here we can top to this bottoms over that. Only one flow line should be entered in the decision statement, but two or more flow line, one for each of the possible answer can be leave in the decisions over that. Here to be entering something over that, here to be tested over that. If your tested is a true, then come over here. If the tested should be a false, then come over here. Here to be take the decision through this in a these are the state symbols can be used in a diamond say that. Here to be only the flow of that in the start and the stops can be over that. Okay, the flow chart can be why we use in a graphical manner. To be in a flow chart basically can be used, it should be in a complex problem can be easily to be in a solved over that, and to be in a easily can be understanding in a layman people from this in a something also used in a these are the predefined symbols can be used over that. we discussed in a earlier slides over that different symbol it should be used in a predefined and to solve in this particular problems over that. Here to be also the sequential way over that. These are the first step, second, third, in the last step over that. Means in each and every problems can be solved in the step by steps over here. Here to be something should be a selection, true and the false, then the if the true, then this one, false in the this one. In this way we can graphically can be put over here. Here to be iterations, we discussed in the earlier in the algorithm that should be selections, and this in something in a repetitions over that. In the looping statements over that, in the something in the while loop, something should be in a repeat statement. If then go to statements can be used over that, and this is should be in a use in a repetitive statements over that. Here to be in a check this in a particular propositions conditions over here. If this is a true, then come over here, and each and every steps can be executed over that process. Okay, if this in this way again and again to be executed. If this false, then the come in a outside for that. Okay, I will give this in a something good example for that in this in a flow chart for that over here. Here to be in a summation over here, summation of a 15 numbers over that, means summation of 1 to n numbers over that. Okay, 1 to n numbers over that, means in a particularly we start with that 0. Okay, from start within a 1 plus 2 plus 3 plus 4 plus 5 up to till in a 15s over that. Here to be in a, we know that any of your flow chart it to be in a start within a start statements over here. Okay, this is a start. Okay, first of all sum is equal to 0. Okay, n is equal to again a 0 over that. Come over here. Okay, come that is a n is equal to n plus 1. Okay, means what is the first of all n is equal to 0, n plus 0 plus 1 is equal to, means in a n should be having in a value 1. Okay, what is the sum for right now? Sum should be in a 0 plus 1. Okay, 0 plus 1, then should be in a 0 plus 1, that the sum having is a 1 over here. Okay, if this in a n is equal to 15, no, come over here, then should in a n 1 plus 1 means in a 2. Okay, then should be in a 1 plus 2, then should be in a summation should be in a 3. Okay, come over here, right now is a n should be in a 2, come over here. Okay, then should be in a 2 plus 1 3. In this way up to till going for that in a 15 time and do this in a summation. If this in a n is equal to 15, check over that. If this in a false, then come over here and the print this in a summation over here. Here to be in a say that is the read the two numbers and the check for that is the largest number over that. Okay, here to be in a, we know that these are the starts. Input this in a value 1 and 2 over that. Here to be in a which are the largest number, value 1 or value 2 over that. Okay, here if here to be in a check over that. If the value 1 is larger, if value 1 is larger, then come over here. Maximum value 1 should be in a transferring the maximum over that. Okay, then and then largest number is a maximum, means those are in the value 1. Here to be in a, if this in a value 1 should be in a smallest one, then and then value 2 should be in a larger, then this should be in a false, then come over here, and this in a value 2 come over here, and the largest number is a 2, means here to be in a check over that, and then should be in a print over that. Here these are the input symbol, these are the display symbol, these are the decision taking over that, and the ending of your flow chart should be in a through this in a stop statements over here. I will put both of things should be over here. Okay, over here that should be in a pseudocode as well as in a flow charts over here. I will take the one good example over here. Write a algorithm and draw the flow chart for interchanging the value of the two variables over that. For an example, A having the 5 and the B having the 7 over that. I want to this in a change over that, means A having the 7 and the B having the 5 over that, means we have the interchanging the transfer the value from this in a one variable to this in a another variable. Here to be na we say that algorithm to be na use in a start statement. Print this in a enter the value A and the B over that. Okay, read this in a value A and the B. First of all, what we say over that, value A can be transferred in a C. Okay, B it should be in a transferring in a A. Again to be in a C can be transferring in a B over that. What happen over here? Here to be in a, for an example, A having this in a 5, B having in a 7 over that. Here the this statement should be in executed, then the A it should be in a transferring in a C. Then the what happen here? C having this in a 5. Here the B having in a 7, it should be in a overwrite in a A, then the A having in a 7. here to be in a C having this in a value is a 5 in this particular time, then should be transferring in a B, then the having in a B value B have a in a 5 over that. Here the end of this in a print A having this in a 7, B having in a 5, then the stop this thing over that. Same thing I have transferring in this in a flow chart. Start input A and B, A should be transferring in a C, B should be transferring in a C is a transferring in a B over that, then print A and the B and the stops for that. Okay, these are this in a flow chart for that. These are this in a thing over that. We have this in a odd summation numbers over that. Odd summation numbers means 1 plus 3 plus 5. In this way, do this in a summations over that. Here to be in a enter this value of the n, read this in a n, s should be in a 0 over that. Here to be in a C is equal to 1. Here to be in a S is equal to 0. Okay, then should be in a here to be in a S plus 2 over here. Okay, C is equal to C plus 1 up to till we can going that into this in a going for that in the way over that. Here to be in a even number means in a even number 2 plus 4 plus 6 in this way. Here to be in a 0, then should be in a 0 plus 2, then should be in a 2 over that. Okay, going up to that up to the 6 over that, then should be in a n means an n value over that, and to be lastly we can print over that s value. Same thing over here. Here to be an input this n, s is equal to 0, n C is equal to 1, S is equal to S plus 2 over that, C is equal to C plus 1 over that. We can check up to till you are given this in a specific number. We can repeat it up to the statements over that, and the lastly this condition is false, then you can print this in a summations of your this particular codes over here. These are these stops for that in this thing over that. Okay, means here the particularly in this session we learn that introduction to this in a programming skill. The basically in this in a programming skill, any of this in a newcomers come in this in a software segments over that. First of all, to develop this logic, and this in a logic can be developed through this flowchart, otherwise in a algorithms. We say that in a pseudocodes. Any of this in a format you have easily understand over that, and then you have easily step by step you have put over that, and you solve your problems in a very easy way over that. And this I have concluded my sessions over here. Through this in a, I will assume over that you are getting this in a fruitful knowledge in this, my sessions over that. Okay, thank you.